Standard deviation is a key statistical tool used to measure market volatility, helping traders and investors understand the extent of price fluctuations over a specific period. In trading, volatility reflects the rate at which an asset's price moves up or down, and standard deviation quantifies this movement by calculating how much prices deviate from their average value. A high standard deviation indicates significant price swings, suggesting increased market volatility, while a low standard deviation signifies more stable price movements. This metric is crucial for assessing risk, as highly volatile markets can lead to rapid gains but also significant losses. Traders use standard deviation to evaluate the consistency of an asset's performance, which is particularly useful in binary options trading, forex, and stock markets. For instance, if the price of a stock has a high standard deviation, it means the stock price is erratic, making it a riskier investment. Conversely, a low standard deviation suggests that the stock's price is relatively stable, appealing to risk-averse investors. One practical application of standard deviation in trading is within the Bollinger Bands indicator. Bollinger Bands consist of a moving average line with upper and lower bands set at a distance of 2 standard deviations from the average. When prices move close to or beyond these bands, it signals potential overbought or oversold conditions, helping traders make informed entry and exit decisions. For example, if the price of an asset touches the upper Bollinger Band, a trader might consider selling, anticipating a price correction. Conversely, if the price reaches the lower band, it could be seen as a buying opportunity. Standard deviation also helps in portfolio management by assessing an asset's risk relative to its return. By comparing the standard deviations of different assets, traders can diversify their portfolios more effectively, balancing high-risk, high-reward investments with safer, lower volatility assets. Additionally, historical standard deviation is often used to forecast future volatility. If an asset historically shows high standard deviation during certain economic events, traders can prepare for similar volatility in the future. However, standard deviation is not foolproof, as it assumes that price movements are normally distributed, which is not always the case in financial markets. Sudden news events or economic shocks can cause unexpected price spikes or drops, making it essential to use standard deviation in conjunction with other technical analysis tools. Despite its limitations, standard deviation remains a cornerstone in financial analysis for its ability to quantify risk and help traders develop sound trading strategies. By understanding market volatility through standard deviation, traders can better manage risk, set realistic price targets, and improve their decision-making processes. In conclusion, standard deviation is invaluable for measuring market volatility, guiding traders in making informed, strategic investments, while navigating the complexities of ever-changing financial markets.